Hello?
Hi. So let's start with an arithmetic question. Let me just share my screen with you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yep.
So can we do 5 minus 2x equals 0? And if you can solve that question for me.
Yep, sure. So then 5 is equal to minus 2x, and then x is equal to 2 divided by 5, so x is equal to 0.4. Do you see my solution on the screen?
Yeah, but the only problem is the first step of your solution is incorrect. Yeah. Okay, so let me draw it again.
Mm-hmm.
So 5 minus 2x equals 0.
Right. Okay, I can see it on my screen.
And then so the correct solution would be 5 equals positive 2x.
Okay.
And then you bring over the 2 to the other side. So it would be 5 over 5 divided by 2.
Okay.
And equals x. And then the answer
equal to 2.5. Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So let's start off with the word problem. Let me type out the word problem. So there are 2 teams. On the first team has 5 employees more than the second team. How many employees are in each team if the total number in the 2 teams total are equal to 77 employees?
Okay, let me start from writing a system of equations. So we have second team that is equal to the first team plus 5.
Exactly.
In this case, it follows that x plus 5 is equal to 77. And that follows that 2x plus 5 is equal to 77. 2x is equal to 77 minus 5. 2x is equal to 72. And then x is equal to 36. Can you see the solution on my screen?
Yes.
And then from here it follows that y is equal to 36 plus 5, that is equal to 41.
Exactly. So let's try geometry questions.
Let's do it again. Okay, Jackie, let's go.
Okay. Hi.
Mm-hmm.
So let's now try a geometry question. Let me draw some lines. Label these lines. Okay.
Okay, I can see the image.
Okay. Can you tell me which of these angles are equal to each other?
Yeah, so the angle number 1 is equal to angle number 4, that is also equal to angle number 7 and angle number 6. And then let me try it with different color. So angle number 5 is equal to angle number 8, equal to angle number 3, and also equal to angle number 2.
Yep, precisely. So let's try another geometry question.
Yep.
Let me go ahead and draw the image here.
I can see the triangle.
Let me label it.
Okay. So we have A, B, and C angles, right?
And
Okay.
then also let me label the other angles.
Yeah. So we have angles 1 and 2, right?
Yeah, and there's also, oh, let me forget the other angle, D.
Okay.
Okay. So for this problem, angles 1 and 2 are set to be equal to each other.
So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, right? Let me just write it down.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then, so can you please prove to me
Yeah.
that angles BAC
Angles BAC
plus angles ACD is equal to 180 degrees?
Okay. Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay. So let's start from marking the angles that I need to prove. It's BAC, this one, plus angle ACD, that is this one. We need to prove that they are equal to 180 degrees, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let me choose another color. So angle ACD is equal to angle, let me write it down, angle ACD is equal to 180 degrees minus angle 2. And then we also know that angle BAC is equal to angle 1. So angle ACD, so angle BAC is equal to angle 1. That is also equal to angle 2. In this case, we also know that we can put that angle 2 is equal to angle BAC. And then in this case, angle ACD is equal to 180 degrees minus angle BAC. And then so the angle BAC plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degrees, following from the example above. So this is my final solution.
Great. So let's try another geometry question. Do you see the triangle on the screen?
Yeah.
Okay. So for this geometry question, angle 1 is set to equal to angle 2. And so for this problem, I need you to prove to me that angle BAC plus angle ACD is equal to 180 degrees.
Okay, clear. So, as we can see, angle BAC is equal to angle 1. So this angle is equal to this angle, as well as we know that angle ACD is equal to 180 degrees minus angle 2. And we also know that angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So it means that if angle BAC is equal to angle 2, then angle ACD is plus angle BAC will equal to 180 degrees.
So let's try another geometry question. Let me load the image. Okay. Do you see the image?
Yeah, I can see the image.
Plane?
Yes.
Okay. So I need 2 points on this coordinate plane. Can you please put 1 dot on the coordinates 3 and 1?
3 and 1. Done.
Okay.
Can you see
the
it?
second point I need,
Okay.
So I need the second point at 6 and 4.
6 and 4. Right.
Okay. Can you please put a line through these 2 points?
Yes.
Okay. So next I need you to project the distance of each of these points, such as like the length of the x-coordinate and also the length of the y-coordinate.
So I'm projecting the points down on the x-coordinate right now. So the length would be from 3 till 6, that is 3. And the same on the y. Projecting out to the y, so it will be 4 and 1. So length will be here from 1 till 4, that is also 3.